Hello everybody, this is Jesse from NAPCO Tech Support. And in this video, we're going to go over how to address the GEM-TOUCH Keypad. This is the touchscreen keypad that can be used with the Gemini burglary system panels. It can be set as comes factory set as a classic style with the on-off interior instant. It can also be set to a K style in configuration. So the keypad always comes as address 0. So to give it a keypad address, we're going to hold down the gear icon. And just like any other Gemini keypad, to get into config mode, we're going to press 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to hit the enter button. Pick dealer keypad config. And as you can see, it's the keypad 0 and the EZM is 0. So click on that. We'll make this keypad 2, EZM 2. And we want to make this a classic, say K-style keypad from a classic. We check off that button, and then we're going to click save. It'll save the configuration, click exit, and now you can see it's out of system until we're connected to the panel and keypad number 2 is programmed. And we change the skin to a K-style keypad. Now, just to review, we went over how to address the GEM-TOUCH Keypad for its keypad address, EZM address, and change the skin to a K-style keypad if needed. And as always, for more information, visit us on the web at tech.napcosecurity.com. Thank you all for watching.